Absolutely, because PPD is one of the most common medical complications after pregnancy, yet there's never been a drug to treat it. Zuranolone is helping moms who need it and reigniting the conversation around PPD support. It was supposed to be an exciting time. Stephanie Taylor was pregnant after years of trying and multiple lost pregnancies.
I'm pregnant, I'm excited.
Taylor had a daughter, but didn't feel like the new mom she thought she'd be.
And I found myself completely paralyzed. I felt like I had no idea how to care for this thing.
She developed postpartum depression. The disease affects 1 in 5 women. Taylor never thought she'd be one.
And I never struggled with mental health. I never had a history of depression.
Every mom's postpartum experience is different. The worst case is postpartum psychosis. Dr. Ravi Johar with United Healthcare explained why.
That's where people are not taking care of themselves or have any interest in taking care of the baby. Or contemplate harming themselves with the baby.
The first drug to treat the disease was approved by the FDA last year. It's finally reaching patients. Taylor called this a life changer for struggling moms.
We don't have to struggle like this. There is help. And the fact that there's a medication for postpartum psychosis is amazing.
Because of her experience with PPD, Taylor started social media accounts under the name The Undepressed Mama.
I want to bring awareness to postpartum depression, postpartum anxiety, and sort of normalize what it actually looks like to be a mom.
The new drug is a step in the right direction, but Taylor and Dr. Johar think there's a long way to go to support PPD.
We need to get to the point where maternal mental health is as easy to talk about as a backache.
And it's hard, and it's messy, and it's not pretty, and it's not aesthetic, and it's okay.
Dr. Johar said to think of the drug as a last resort, that a mom may be prescribed Zuranolone after trying other depression medications and therapy, and it can be used in combination with those other forms of support as well.
Really important.
It's amazing that we're just talking about a new drug. I mean, it's such a complicated issue, and so many moms feel like, is this normal what I'm going through?
Well,
is
I was
it
going to say,
not?
mental health is already a lonely thing.
Right.
And then when you talk about being afraid that someone's going to think you're a bad mom or don't know how to care for this child, just you can hear her talking about it there.
Yeah, get the support and then hopefully get the drug if that's what you need.
It's really important. Olivia, thank you.